guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Welcome back, all my old subscriber, my new subscriber. I welcome you all. I appreciate you all for always stopping by, coming back and watching my content. Today I have a haul for you from this brand company called Cherryz. Okay guys, let's get into the video and I'll show you guys what's in this box. We unbox it together and also I'll tell you more about this company. All right guys, let's get into the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, okay guys, before we unbox and see what is in here, let me just tell you a little bit about Cherryz. Okay, if I'm pronouncing it right, I hope I am. I'm excited because this is my first collaboration. Okay, so this is an ad gift. Just thought I would share with you guys, and I also have 20% discount coupon code for your first order, your first purchase off. Okay, so if you spend any amount of money, you get 20% off your first order. Okay guys, I will leave all the link, the coupon code, everything. I'll link it on the description box in the bottom of this video, and a link for you to also download the app. Okay, so yeah guys, they have an app and they also have a website, so the link will be on the description box. I quickly want to show you guys the app. So because my phone is Apple phone, as you can see, but I think I'm not 100% sure if they have it on the Android, but I think they do. Okay, so you just go to Apple Store and you download the app. Okay, or you can go to their website, which is let me quickly get their website. I think their website is it's either cherryz.com, something like that. I just quickly want to get the correct website for you guys. Yeah, I think it's cherryz.com, but I will leave all the link in the description box. But let me show you guys the app. So when you go to download it, you'll be able to know how the app looks like, and you can place an order on the app. I hope the lighting is not too much. So this is the app here, so you just download it. Just want to show you guys first before I unbox what is in there. So this is the app. If you touch on it, it opens. I don't know if this lighting is too much. I hope you guys can see. Okay, maybe I'll show you guys towards the ending of the video again. So anyway, this is how the app looks like. I'm trying to see if the lighting is not too much. Okay guys, so yeah, so you can get anything you want. They have a lot of things there. You know, they have household things, clothing, perfume, gift, yeah, so everything. You just have a look. So it's cherryz.com, and they also have the app. So this is the app I'm showing you, or I'll probably show you all again properly towards the ending of this video, because I'm not sure if the lighting is doing it a justice. Okay guys, okay, so let's unbox my box so you guys can see what is inside. Okay guys, okay guys, so let's open the box. Let's unbox and see what I got. Okay, so their delivery took 4 days. I placed this order on the 2nd of July and I got the order today. Today is 6th of July, so it took 4 days and it came next day delivery. That's it there. The lighting is in my kitchen is quite a lot. So it came next day delivery, where it looks well packed. Okay, so the box has their beautiful logo in there. Yes, and it's actually cherryz.com. Can you see that? Cherryz with a Z.com. That's their website. I'll show you guys properly because the lighting wasn't doing it any justice, but I will show you guys when I finish showing you guys what is in this box. Okay guys, so I'm going to put everything on top of the table so you guys can see it more, but let's just unbox everything that's here. So you got your normal paper wrap to protect what's in there. Okay, so let's bring everything out, and I'm going to be telling you guys the prices if possible. I'm going to be telling you guys the prices. Okay, so let's put everything on the table and then I'll show you guys properly on the table. Okay, so we got what is this called now? Sweet Zone watermelon drops. Okay, so let's put that on there first. And then I bought this ladies fragrance, just want to see. And then I got this duster. Okay, I got set of pencils. So everything in this box cost me £29 and some pence. Okay, I'll tell you guys the exact price later. And I got some toilet block for toilet rims. Okay, so I got that one. I got this A5 notebook with pen, comes with the pen. I got macaroni, can you imagine? I got macaroni cheese. I got 2 of these. Okay, so this one is a bit bent. I don't know, I don't so much like buying something that is bent, but anyway, I got 2 macaroni cheese. Macaroni cheese, yes. And then we got some Super Shops sweets here. These are for my daughter, she's the one that picked them. And then we got this raspberry cream chocolate, I don't know. Oh, and then we got something wrapped in the paper here. Let me move the camera back slightly so you guys can see more better. Okay, I'm going to show you guys more properly. So I think this is a peanut, yes, peanut butter crunch. I like this. This is for my kitchen. It's a fragrance hair freshener. Okay, and yeah, this one is also bent. This is hot dog. There's 2 of these, so I got 2 of these. So obviously you can get different things in their website or on the app. I use the app to place my order. So I got set of pens. I also got another toilet rim cleaner. I got, this is a microwave and freezer wipes. I haven't seen this before. This is my first time of seeing it, so I bought 2 actually to clean my microwave and my fridge. Okay, so I got 2 of that. Oh, I didn't know I bought that. So I have 3 of this. Okay, toilet cleaner. And I also got a drink. Okay, so there's 4 in here. Okay, there's 4. I think that's opened itself out. So I got, it's 4 in the pack. So that is the drink. I got bean bag or refuse sack, so bean bag we call it here. I got I got glasses wipes because we use glasses in this house. Okay, so we need some glasses wipes. Okay, and I also got this barbecue sauce. This one actually is 2. No, actually it's 1. I bought 2. Yeah, this one is, I bought 2. And then of course kitchen cleaner. I got 2 of these. That's one. That's the other one. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys more. So that's everything in the box, and everything here I'm going to show you guys more. Okay guys, so I've put the stuff here properly because I want you guys to see everything that I got. So I'm going to tell you guys how much everything here cost me. I'm trying to make this video not to be too long if possible, but let's see if I can quickly. I'm just checking on the app because I want to show you guys. Yeah, so everything here cost me £29.45p. So now they also have a delivery fee. I think their delivery fee is about £3 something. Can't really I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's around between £3.50, £3.95 or £3. Okay guys, so let me quickly just tell you guys the price of everything here. So this Sweet Zone, this cost me £1. This sweet watermelon drop, this is £1. Okay, that's £1. Sorry for the noise guys. And this let me tell you, the next thing I bought was the Super Shop. This cost me £1 as well. And this one, the dusting brush, is extendable duster. See, it's extendable. This cost me £1. Actually, it's not £1, it's £2. So this brush cost me £2. Okay, guys. And the next thing I bought was this one here, the toilet rim cleaner. So this one here is £1. Okay, guys. So I bought 2. So I bought 3 actually. So but this set here is £1. There's 2 inside, so it's £1. So I bought 3 of them. Okay, so the 3 cost me £3. And then the next thing is the microwave and the fridge. This I feel this will be very good. I've never seen this one before. I feel it will be very good. This is £1 for this whole lot. There's 70 large wipes inside. It's £1, so I bought 2. Okay, it's £1, so I bought 2. And then the next thing is the glasses wipe. It's £1. I bought just 1. So the next thing is the drinks, which is these drinks here. The drinks are £1.90. There's 4 in there's 4 of this apple and raspberry. So there's 4. That's £1.90. Okay, and then the chocolate is the next thing. This one is £1. There's 4. No, 1, 2, 3. There's 3. Yeah, there's 3 inside, guys. 3. It's £1. And then this barbecue sauce is 90p. And this is exactly the size they sell in Iceland. This is exactly the size they sell in Iceland. Okay, this is 90p. I bought 2, which I've shown you guys earlier on. Just thought I would show you guys properly what I got. And then I bought this hot dog. Okay, sausage is £1.60 for one. £1.60 for one. Okay, I think it comes as a set. Yes, this is 2. I think this is 2. I think this is 2 because I got 2 here. Yeah, I think it's set of this 2. I think. Okay, it's £1. And then the macaroni cheese. The macaroni cheese is 80p, so I got 2 times 2. That should be like so 80p for 1. Work it out, okay, guys. I don't want the video to be too long anymore. So it's 80p for 1. So I got 2. And then I got the book, which I like, the notepad, the A5 notepad. This is £1.50 with the pen, £1.50, which I really like. The next thing I got is the pen. This pen, 6 in the pack, is £1. The pencils are £1. There is 12 there, £1, which is good. The peanut butter crunch, £2 for this bottle, which is alright. It's normally expensive, this brand anyway. It's £2. And then this freshener is £1. There's 2 inside. This one is 95p, so I bought 2. Okay. The bean bag, which is the refuse sack, is £1.35. I just bought 1. And then last but not least is this fragrance here, perfume, 85 ml. It's £1.80. I bought only 1. Okay, guys, so that's the prices, and I spent £29.45 for everything here. As I say, they have more stuff. They have a lot of things on their website. Okay, guys, so let me quickly see, yeah, if I can show you guys the website now. I think you guys can see it now. So you just download it. Once you download it, it will be on your phone or your tablet or your iPad, and you see the symbol there, so you know it's the right one, Cherryz, and you just touch it, and then they have all this there. Okay, so they also do things like discount, reward. Yeah, so they do all this reward, collect 2 Cherryz per £1 spent. Okay, oh, my lighting is doing it again. Okay, guys, well, once you download the app, you'll be able to see it properly because my lighting is not showing it clear again. Okay, and the delivery wasn't too long, just 4 days, which I'm happy about. Okay, so let's quickly go to their website. So all you need to do is just go to your Google and type in cherryz.com. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyway, this is the website. So when you are here on your phone, you will see that it's telling you to download their app, and you get a code there as well to use free delivery on your first 3 orders. Okay guys, so that's their website. I'm using my phone, cherryz.com. You can download the app as well and shop from the app. And then they have a lot of stuff, as I say. I also have a discount coupon code. Don't forget, I'll leave the discount coupon code on the description box of this video, and you get 20% off your first order, your first purchase only. 20% off. Okay guys, so any amount you shop, you get 20% off. Okay, yeah, and as I say, they do reward. So yeah, that is it again. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it, and share this video so that other people can get to know about this brand, this company. It's a lot of different type of household stuff. Will I shop there again? Probably yes. My daughter likes it. She's even there browsing and adding things to basket. As you can see, we've already had 11 items in the basket already, so I think we are going to be shopping there again. Okay guys, all right, thanks for watching. Okay guys, let me show my face before I end the video. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this, my first collaboration. Okay, please guys, like this video, thumbs up, share it, subscribe, comment, and all the good stuff. Okay guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.